What is brain fingerprinting? P300 murmur. Here we will discuss it in detail. Let's start. Brain fingerprinting. The essential difference between the perpetrator of a crime and a clear person is that the perpetrator, having committed the crime, has the details of the crime stored in his memory, and the innocent suspect does not. This is actually what brain fingerprinting testing detects scientifically, the presence or absence of specific information. How we define brain fingerprinting? Scientific technique is used to determine whether or not specific information is stored in an individual's brain. Relevant words, pictures, or sounds are presented to a subject by a computer in a series with stimuli. The brainwave responses can easily measure using a patented headband equipped with EEG sensors. P300 specific measurable brain response emitted by the brain of a subject who has the relevant information stored in his brain. How does it work? Measurements are recorded in fractions of a second after the stimulus is accessible, before the subject can formulate or control a response. Dr. Farwell discovered that the P300 was one aspect of a larger brainwave response that he named and patented, a murmur, memory and encoding related multifactorial electroencephalographic response. Brain response were verified from the midline frontal, central, and parietal scalp locations, reference to linked mastoids that are behind the ear and form a position on the forehead to track eye movements. Subjects were given a written list of all stimulus items at the end of each test and asked to identify each item as notable, moderately noteworthy, or irrelevant. Those marked were discarded. The P300 an electrically positive component maximal at the parietal scalp site and other longer latency electrically negative subcomponent prominent at the frontal scalp site. Phasic changes in the frequency and structure of the signal. What type of stimuli we can use? We can use three types of stimuli: probes, targets, irrelevant stimuli. Probes include tied to life experience relevant to the studied event. Only the individuals who took part in the event would recognize and remember it. Murmur, for a person who is unfamiliar with the scenario under study, this is indistinguishable from the irrelevant. Targets, there is an option to push a button to indicate noun image. Since the relatively rare targets are signed out in the task being performed, the targets are noteworthy for the subject and each target stimulus elicits a murmur. Irrelevant stimuli, information relevant to the crime that the suspect claims to have no facts of crime. Few case studies includes FBI new agents 100% accurate, CIA 3 experiments, pictures rather than verbal cues, words, phrases to determine connection between experts, their organization, and known evidence related to work. Real life events including 2 offense crimes, overall 79 participants with 100% accuracy. We are going to have a great time learning together. Thank you. Please subscribe Biotech Information and press the bell icon.